how to go live on Snapchat. So if you want to go live on Snapchat, then first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now let me tell you that if you can go live on Snapchat or not. So if you open up your Snapchat application, and if you go for the profile, which is on the upper left, and from here you can go for settings, which is on the upper right, scroll down, and here you will have a bunch of options or your settings, right? So under settings you won't have an option of live, because on Snapchat we don't have an option of live yet. So unfortunately you can't go live on Snapchat. But instead of going live, what you can do is you just need to take a snap or just take a video of that live moment. For example, I'll be taking a snap, and once you've taken a snap or video or something, then you just need to go for send to, which is on the bottom right. And once you're here, you just need to go for your public or my story or public, or you can add that to your spotlight, like that. But instead of that, you won't have an option to go live on Snapchat. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.